Hi guys! Today you are with me in my bathroom because I'm going to color my hair, and as you guys know, I like to film videos when I do these DIY projects at home, just so I can share my experience with the particular hair color that I'm using, and hopefully it's interesting for you as well. So anyway, this is the situation. I dyed my hair over a month ago, I'm sure, maybe even 2 months ago. This is the current situation. My roots are dark, well, darker than the rest of my hair, obviously, because I'm going for that more natural blonde effect. Yeah, my hair is quite greasy now, so don't mind that, please. I was waiting for it to be a little bit more dirty, because that way the color actually attaches better to the hair, and also it's not as damaging. So this is the current situation. I have a little bit of natural roots showing, and then this box hair dye that's quite washed out right now. And it was by Garnier Nutrice. The last time I used the hair color was by Garnier Nutrice in shade number 7, and I have a review on that. So if you haven't seen it yet, I will put the link down below. So basically I have some gray hairs. Let me see, here. And here is like my problem area with the grays. If I part my hair to this section here, you will see that I have more gray hair here than when I part my hair, for example, to this side or in the middle, which is, I guess, you know, good, because I can definitely, you know, get away with this. I can easily part my hair to the middle or this side here, so then it's not as visible. So today I'm going to be using this hair color here for the very first time. So I picked the Supreme Blondes Beige Blonde in shade 805. If I'm starting with this shade here, I can probably expect something like this. So it's not going to be any dramatical change. I'm just basically trying to cover up my roots and just even this out. So inside you will obviously get the developer, and I'm guessing this is 20 volume, which is usually what they put in these box hair dyes. Then the color, and it's, as I've said, shade 805, and you're supposed to mix these together. It's very simple, very easy. Balm, it comes in this like sample size version. I'm hoping it will be nice. I have a pair of gloves, but I will be using my little comb, and instructions that obviously I'm going to read. These box hair dyes pretty much are all the same, but I'm still going to go through the instructions just to see if something's different. What I like to do before coloring my hair is I spray my hair all over with this Skin Care Vital Nutrition Protein Spray. So I will do that now. And this is very good product because it basically protects your hair. So I like to use it every time before coloring my hair. I won't be coloring my entire length. I will just be touching up my roots. So I always use my black towel that I actually got in a drugstore years ago, and it's just to protect your clothes when you're coloring your hair. It's actually also from Schwarzkopf. So now I'm going to part my hair. I'm going to start from this middle section, part my hair and comb it, because when you're coloring your hair, you just want your hair to be without any tangles. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In my today's video I would like to review this new hair color that I've tried out recently. So it's the first time I've been trying out Schwarzkopf Palette Professional Performance Oleo Intense line. In the past I tried Schwarzkopf Natural and Easy. I will link the video down below in case you're interested. and I was very pleased with that line. I even recommended it to my mom, and now she's using it and she's really happy. But I really wanted to venture and try something else. You know, I stayed along that range of natural blondes because this is the color that I've been using on my roots recently. So I tried Schwarzkopf palette in shade Biondo Beige, which is Supreme Blondes 805. It says here it gives you supreme nourishment to your hair, so I was definitely attracted to that. Visibly healthy and strong hair, and complete coverage of grey hair. And it also says that it's permanent coloring without ammonia. So obviously it's better if it's without ammonia and if it can cover up grey. I don't have a whole lot of grey hair, but I do have some grey hair, and to me it's very important that obviously it covers all the grey hair that I have. So this here, it did cover grey hair, but not as good as some other hair colors. I could still see some grey hair. Not too visible though, but I don't think it gave 100% full coverage of grey. It was very nice formula in terms that the application was easy, the scent wasn't overpowering, it was very easy to mix the colors together, you know, developer and the color, and everything was like ready to use. Here they basically tell you to actually wash your hair with a shampoo afterwards and then apply hair balm and then proceed with blow drying and styling your hair. And this is exactly what I did. I left it on my roots for I think more than 30 minutes. You can leave it along that line, you don't need to leave it longer than that. The color, at first I wasn't too crazy about that color, but I used some purple shampoo and afterwards it looked really nice and natural. So my first impression is, oh gosh, is this a little bit reddish or bronzy on me? But no, under natural lighting it was just a very natural darkish blonde color. It's not exactly this shade here because obviously it all depends on your starting color, but it's definitely a color that will work great if you have level 6, 7 hair, something like that. It won't do miracles if you have dark hair, but if you want to have this natural blonde effect and you already have pretty light hair to start with, I think this will work really well. Also, if your hair is too light, over bleached, and you want to kind of tone it down and give it this really beautiful, nice blonde, I think this is just the perfect color and will work wonders for you. It contains some natural oils in this formula, which is really nice because it nourishes your hair. You know, it's just like coloring it without damaging it, and it leaves your hair very silky and very soft, which is always a plus. So would I use this line again? Yes, I would. I really like Schwarzkopf products for my hair care and also hair colors. I think they're really nice. This particular shade I actually really liked. I think it looked good on my roots. I still have it. I've been using purple shampoo and then combining it with some other shampoo from Schwarzkopf, and I really like how it washes out throughout the weeks. I think I will color my hair again in a month or so, maybe a little bit less than that. And I don't know what will I do next. Will I go blonder or darker on the roots? I might be going for blonder, but I'm not really sure. Let me know if you have any suggestions or ideas. So I just wanted to give you my recommendation of this particular line, Schwarzkopf palette. It's very nice. I like the fact that it doesn't contain ammonia, so it's a little bit more gentle for your hair. And this Supreme Blondes line, I think it's really nice. I would definitely like to try some other shades from the Supreme Blondes, not too blonde ones, because obviously they don't have a strong enough developer to take me to that 10 or 11 you know, shade of blonde, but something along this 7-8 line, I think it would work really nice on my roots. So guys, hope this was interesting and helpful. Let me know, have you ever tried out this particular shade and how did it turn out on you? Were you happy with it? And I hope you will give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos for more. I always film videos dedicated to beauty, skincare, fashion. If you have any requests, feel free to let me know. And now I'm sending you big kisses from Italy. I will talk to you soon in my next video. Ciao!